Hello, my good people. Boy Alberto here, and my son, Boy Alberto 2 Jr. We're gonna make a pizza at home today. We got our pizza kit. From the pizza shop. Our dough ball.
Hello, guys.
Oh, and another son. You want to make a pizza with us?
Yeah.
Come on over. Get over, Pop.
Silver.
Alright. There we go.
What's
And
your
your
name?
name?
Wessel.
Tell
Wessel.
Hi, Lenzo.
Lorenzo.
Hi.
Got some sauce,
Yeah.
some good cheese, mozzarella, and a pepperoni.
Yeah.
Alright.
What is that?
Let's put some flour on the board there. A little flour on your hands. There you go.
We're going to be making a pizza.
Alright, lay it down, make an edge. Make your edge first. Like I showed you, like this. There you go, all the way around. Good job. Turn it. Keep going. Make the edge. There. Good job. Alright, no, Lindsay, don't do that. Alright, push it down. Now give it let Lindsay pat it. Lindsay, give it some pats. Pat it. A little harder. Nope, just pat it a little more. There you go. There you go. Alright, Berto, go around, work the edge a little more. Make an edge, Bert. Again. There you go. Nice. One more time. All right, we're teaching them young. All right, Bert, now pick it up, toss it around, back and forth. There you go. Good job. All right. All right, I'll put it on your hands out like that. Like this. Knuckles. All right, I'll toss it. Yep, toss it
Wait,
again.
Dad, you forgot to do this at the beach shop.
That's all right. Go ahead, toss it. Okay. Good job. See? All right. Lay it on there. All right, Lenzo, ready?
Yeah.
What comes next, guys?
That's so big.
Yeah, it is.
Okay, good job.
What goes
Okay.
next, guys?
All right, now don't push on it no more because now we got to keep it loose. Okay? Don't push it no
I
more.
didn't get to that.
No more patting. No more touching it. That's all. All right.
I'll get my spoon.
Hold that.
I have my spoon. Let's get your spoon.
All right.
Mine's way Bill.
Spread that sauce around.
I need that one.
Mine's up. Spread it. Go ahead, Lindsay. Spread it around. Easy. Easy.
Dad.
Come on, Lindsay, then you can do it after. Easy, not don't go over the edge. All right, good job. I'll let Berto go around the edges. Well, just don't go over the edge, Bert. Oh, just take it slow. Don't go over the edge. See how you just went over the edge? Just keep it in. There you go. There you go. Good job. All right, good job. All right.
Look, he went out the way.
That's all right.
I didn't mean to.
Let's spread that around. We like a lot of sauce, everybody? Everybody like sauce?
Yeah.
Okay. A good amount of sauce then. Make it saucy.
I want pepperoni pizza.
All right, everybody put cheese on there now. Got it? Grab it. There you go. Cheese it up, make it nice and even. Make it nice and even the whole way around.
Little pepperoni. And Dad, we need a little pepperoni, right?
And we'll do pepperoni too.
Oh, I hate pepperoni.
Don't eat it yet, put it on the pizza. Guys, on the pizza.
I was putting it on the pizza.
We got so much cheese here, I don't eat it all.
What comes
All
next,
right,
Lindsay?
Cheese.
Pepperoni.
Who wants pepperoni on
Me.
there?
Not me.
it.
Put
Some
one-
pepperonis on there.
No, Dad. What pepperoni side?
On the whole thing or half?
Half, because I hate pepperoni.
You don't eat it. You don't eat anything.
I can't want any
Alright,
pepperoni.
that's it.
I want a cheese pizza.
Alright, that's it. We got half pepperoni. Alright, everybody.
And something in the middle to make.
Where does
a
it go now,
pizza.
Lenzo?
Oh, something in the middle to make a Pikachu.
Where do we put the pizza now, Lindsay?
A dot. A dot, Mom. A dot.
Where's it going now?
A dot. An oven.
Alright, let's put it in
The
the
oven.
oven.
Oh, we need a
Alright,
dot.
we got our pizza
dot?
stone.
Yeah.
I put the oven on 500 degrees. Put my stone in there before I turned it on, so the stone heated up with the oven. I got a 14-inch stone. Now we're gonna shake that baby right on there. There you go. 500 degrees, we'll let that cook. See how long it takes. It's 5:03 right now. See if it takes about 8-9 minutes. Good job, guys.
High five.
High five.
Boom. Lindsay.
Lindsay,
Little chefs.
There we
Good
go.
job, guys.
2 future pizza makers here.
Now cheese.
All right, it's been 10 minutes in the oven. Let's see what she looks like. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Nice crisp. Hear that cracking? No, it's got a nice crisp. 10 minutes at 500 degrees. The oven, that stone will get nice and hot and you'll get a nice crisp bottom on your pizza. Let's see.
Great job, baby.
Nice and crisp. A little too much flour on there. There she is. Pizza at home with the family. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for some more videos.
Tell them to subscribe for some more videos.
Find some fun poopy bills.